Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Roborock Q5 Max Plus mobile app settings. The Roborock app is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing we'll look at is up at the top, in the top right hand corner, we got three dots right here. That takes us to our app settings where we can view our cleaning history. We can set a schedule for this vacuum. We have our floor cleaning settings here. We can edit the surface type, turn on or off carpet boost, and we can even clean along a certain floor direction. So great customization options here. Then we can go back out. We have our auto empty settings, so we can adjust this on or off, and then smart light balanced or max. So pick and choose which one works best for you. Then we have our maintenance suggestions here when it's time to replace things like filters and side brushes. We can manage our maps here, so we can turn on or off map saving. We can have multiple maps saved at one time, and we can edit our maps. So let's select edit map, and then we can add things like no-go zones, invisible walls, or we can have these boxes here to set a whole area. Drag and drop, add as many as you need. You also have the option to edit your rooms, so you can merge or divide your rooms. You can add and place furniture and edit the surface type of the floor in your rooms on your map. Then we have robot voice settings here. You can choose your language and adjust the volume. We have robot settings, do not disturb, button lights, child lock. Here's where you can turn on off-peak charging if you want, offline map, and you can adjust your unit. Then we have our pin and go settings, so we can place a spot on the map to have it go there, and then we can do a spot clean. We also have remote control, so we can manually drive the vacuum with buttons or a joystick. Pick and choose, and then spot clean and return to home if you get tired of driving. And then down at the bottom, it's just things like user manual, product info, firmware, device sharing, and then we can delete the device from our account. Then back on the main screen, we have our map, we have our previous clean as well as current battery percentage and runtime. We have our map edit option on the right-hand side. So we looked at these features and settings, but you can find them right here. And you can view details, 2D or 3D. And then back at edit map, we can pick and choose which map we want to use. And then down at the bottom, we have full room or zone cleaning. We can add up to 5 different zones, and we can clean and cycle through each zone 1 to 3 times. Drag and drop reposition on the map. Room clean, pick and choose which rooms you want cleaned, or a full clean. We can also customize our cleaning settings here, 5 different suction power settings, 2 different route options, basically a standard, and then we have a fast route. There's also this customize option. If you want to actually adjust your cleaning mode based on the room, you can build that out there too, which is really cool. So a very customizable experience within the Roborock app for the Q5 Max Plus. Very simple, straightforward to navigate and find exactly what you're looking for with most of the control literally right at your fingertip.